Okay, so now we're up to bridge placement. Now this is a particularly critical aspect of the job. If we don't get our bridge placed correctly, our intonation will be off. Now, intonation refers to how in tune the guitar is with itself. So this is something you may not notice if your bridge placement's not correct. You may not notice this lower down the neck, say in the cowboy position when you're playing open chords. But the further up the neck you play, the more this will be exaggerated, I guess. So now, for those unaware, scale length refers to the length of the vibrating string. So essentially, the first point of contact for the string is the nut, so we measure from the inside edge of the nut, and the last point of contact is the saddle. And the saddle sits inside the bridge, and so bridge position is critical. Now, essentially, as I said, it's 25.5 inches, but we also have to account for the mass of the wound strings. Now, to do this, you can see the bridge saddle slot is cut on an angle. That's just to compensate for the wound strings that have additional mass. So when we're measuring at 25.5 inches or 12.75, doubling that from the 12th fret, we'll essentially want the high E string to sit in that position, and then we'll let the angled slot take care of the bass strings or the additional mass as we discussed. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera down onto the bench now and show you how you measure this. First thing we're going to do is get a rough measurement. We're going to put some tape down on the body of the guitar then to protect it. That'll also give us something to mark, and then we'll talk about additional steps from there.